Welcome student, standard first subject maths, chapter number 5 addition. So today we are going to study addition of two digit numbers. In last session we studied about the addition of single digit numbers. Okay, now here are the example of addition. Add the following. So read this: 8, 24 and 32. Okay, so first we have to arrange this in vertical column. Okay, first we have to arrange these numbers in vertical column. So for that, first write tens and ones. Okay, so we have to arrange this 24 and 32 in column tens and ones. Okay, now write 24. Okay, so 4 write in ones column and 2 write in tens column. Okay, and 32, 2 writes in ones column and 3 write in tens column. Okay, now add this. So we have to use plus sign to show we are doing addition. Okay, so now what is this? 4 plus 2. So 4, keep it in mind, and next number is what? 2. So show 2 fingers, 1, 2. Now count that. After 4 what will come? 5, 6. So write here 6. Okay, in tens column is what? 2 plus 3. So 2, keep it in mind, and next number is what? 3. So show 3 fingers, 1, 2, 3. Okay, so now count after 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so write here 5. Okay, so now close this. This is the what? Addition of two digit number. Okay, clear? Second one is what? 8, 14 and 22. Okay, so arrange this 14 and 22 in tens column and ones column. Okay, so first is what? 4. So write here 4 in ones column and 1 in tens column, because you know very well that first digit number is what? Ones, and this one is what? Tens. Now 22. So 2 write in ones column, this 2 write in ones column, and this 2 write in tens column. Okay, now put plus sign. Okay, because we are doing addition, here we have to draw line. Okay, this arrow. So this arrow is indicating that we have to start from right to left, means this side to this side. Okay, so first always we have to add this ones column digit. Clear this one? First we have to add ones column digit. So 4 plus 2. So 4, keep it in mind. Okay, and show 2 fingers, 1 and 2. Okay, so after 4 count 5, 6. So write here 6. Okay, now move in that tens column. So what is this? 1, and this one is what? 2. So 1 plus 2, show 2 fingers, 1, 2. So after 1 count that 2, 3. Okay, so write here 3. So now this is what? Addition. So we got the answer. Okay, when we add 14 and 22, we will get the answer 36. Clear this one? Now next one, 8, 62 and 20. Put the number according to their place value. So 2 put in ones column, 6 put in tens column. Okay, and in 20, 0 put in ones column and 2 write in tens column. Okay, now draw the line here and put plus sign, and here also same, we have to show arrow, because we first add in ones column then in tens column. Okay, so 2 plus 0. You know that rule, that when we add 0 to any number, then we will get the number itself. So 2 plus 0 is what? 2. Okay, now next in tens column, 6 plus 2. Okay, so what is this? 6. So 6, keep it in mind, and next number is what? 2. So show 2 fingers, 1 and 2. So count after 6, 7, 8. So write here So write here 8. Okay. Then close this box. Clear this one? Now next one, 8, 80 and 16. Okay. So put the number according to their place value. 80. In 80, 0 write in ones column. 8 write in tens column. Okay. In 16, 6 write in ones column. 1 write in tens column. Okay. Draw the line. Put the plus sign. Okay. Now show the arrow. Okay. Digit. So at first ones column digit. 0 plus 6. So same rule is here. Okay. When we add 0 to any number, then we will get the number itself. Then this is what? 6. Now in tens column, 8 plus 1. So 8, keep it in mind and show one finger. 1. So count after it, 9. So write here 9. Okay. Now close this. Clear this one? Now we have to start addition with carrying over. Okay. In 2-digit numbers. Okay. So read this problem. 8, 64 and 36. Okay. So first we have to what? Arrange these numbers in column. Okay. Arrange this number 64. Okay. So 4 write here. 4 write in ones column. And 6 write in tens column. Okay. And in 36, 6 write in ones column. And 3 write in tens column. Okay. Now put here plus sign. So step number 1, 8 digit in ones column. So first we have to 8 digit in ones column. Okay. So what is this? 4 plus 6. This problem we have to solve by drawing line. And we can solve by using finger also. Okay. So what is this? 4. So draw 4 line. 1, 2, 3, 4. What is this? 6. So draw 6 line. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Count these lines together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. What is this? 10. Okay. So you know very well, when number is single digit, it means that ones. When number are in 2 digit, it means that ones and tens. Okay. So in this 10, 0 is what? Ones and 1 is what? Tens. So 0 write in ones column and 1 write in tens column, means we have to carry this number. Okay. So this 1, okay, carry over 1 to tens column. Okay. So now second step is what? 8 digit in tens column. अब आपको tens column के digit add करने. What we have to add? 1. तो आपको सबसे पहले ये जो 1 लिखा रहता है carrying over, आपको ये 1 को 8 करना है. Okay. So 1 plus 6, 7. 7 plus 3 is what? 10. So write here 10. So now close this. Clear this one? Now next one, 8, 45 and 37. Okay. In this 45, write 5 in ones column and 4 in tens column. Okay. And in 37, 7 write in ones column and 3 write in tens column. Okay. Now add this. First step is what? We have to add digit in ones column. Okay. So 5 plus 7. This one is what? 5. This one second number is what? 7. So draw dot 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. After 5, count this 7 dots. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. What will come? 12. Okay. So same process is there. 2 write in ones column and this 1 write in tens column. Okay, it means that 1 is carried, okay, 1 is carry over to tens column. Okay, so now here add this 1 plus 4 plus 3. Okay, so 1 plus 4 is 5. 5 plus 3 is what? 8. So write here 8. Clear this one? Now next problem 8, 92 and 29. Arrange this number in column. Okay. So in 92, 2 write in ones column and 9 write in tens column. And in 29, 9 write in ones column and 2 write in tens column. Okay. So now here draw the line and put the plus sign. Okay. Now 8 first in ones column. Okay. 2 plus 9 to draw here 9 dot. Otherwise you have to count on fingers. 9 plus 2 is what? 10, 11. So write here 1. Okay. And 1 carried over 110 to tens column. Now second step is what? Add in tens column. 1 plus 9, 10 and 10 plus 2 is what? 12. So write here 12. Okay. Clear this one? Now next one, addition with carrying over 3-digit numbers. So same procedure is that. Okay. So here is what? 8, 63, 12 and 26. So first write ones and tens. So in 63, 3 write in ones column, 6 write in tens column. In 12, 2 write in ones column, 1 write in tens column, and in 26, 6 write in ones column and 2 write in tens column. Okay. Draw the line. Put the plus sign. Step number 1, 8 digits in ones column. So 3 plus 2 plus 6. Okay, 3 plus 2 is what? 5. Okay, and 5 plus 6, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 and 11. Okay, so write here 1 in ones column and 1 and carry over 1 tens to tens column. Okay, now 8 digit in tens column. So 1 is carried. So 1 plus 6, 7. 7 plus 1 is 8. 8 plus 2 is what? 10. So write here 10. Clear this one? 8, 33, 26 and 18. Write here ones and tens. So in 33, this 3 write in ones column. This 3 write in tens column. In 26, 6 write in ones column. 2 write in tens column. And in 18, 8 write in ones column. And 1 write in tens column. Okay. Draw the line. Put the plus sign. Arrow is indicating that we should start from ones then move in tens. Okay. So 8 digits in ones column. 3 plus 6 is what? 9. Very good. And 9 plus 8. Count fast. 17. Very good. So write here 7 in ones column. 7 write in ones column. And carry 1. Okay, this one. Carry over 110 to tens column. Okay. Now add this Now 8 digit in tens column. 1. 1 plus 3 is 4. Very good. 4 plus 2 is what? Count fast. 6. Okay. And 6 plus 1 is what? 7. So write here 7. Okay. Now next one is what? 8, 92, 14 and 28. Okay. So first we have to arrange in columns. Okay. Ones and tens. So in 92, 2 write in ones column. 9 write in tens column. And in 14, 4 write in ones column. And 1 write in tens column. And in 28, 8 write in ones column. 2 write in tens column. And put the plus sign. Okay. And this arrow is indicating we should start addition from ones, then move to tens. 8 digit in ones column. 2 plus 4. What will come? 6. Very good. 6 plus 8. Count fast. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So what will come? 14. Okay. So 4 write in ones column and this one carry over, okay, to tens column. Now 8 in tens column. Okay. So 1 carried, ये जो 1 है वो कैसा है? Carried किया हुआ है आपने. So 1 plus 9 is 10. Very good. 10 plus 1, what? 11. And 11 plus 2, count fast. 13. Right here 13. Okay. Clear this one?